In this video, I'll show you how to install Warzone in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So launch the game on your console, then press the X to start the game. Then from here, use the L1 or the R1 button and go to the All Games section. Then find Call of Duty Warzone. So select Install, and then this will bring you to the Manage Files section. So from here, find the Warzone game. So there it is. Press Install, and then you'll be asked, or you'll be given a notice, installing Warzone requires approximately that amount of space on your console. So before you install it, make sure you have enough space for Warzone to be downloaded. So if you have enough space and you want to proceed, tap on Install, and the process will begin. So as you can see at the top right corner, you'll see when you go to the downloads, now from here you can see Warzone being downloaded on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So that's basically it on how to download Warzone on Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.